Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we'll learn how to take user input in Python using the input function. So we'll start this by understanding a basic input. So for that, we'll print a message on the screen. And here, this input method waits for the user to type something or press enter. And here the typed value is stored in name and the last line prints the greeting using the value entered. So let's see its output. Here it is asking you to enter the name and you can see the output how this basic input method works. Now we can also use prompt in this. So this is how we'll use the prompt in this. So the message enter your name is passed inside the input method and this shows the prompt and takes input on the same line. So let's see its output. So here we can see this is how it works, and also we can take multiple inputs as well. So here we'll take multiple inputs. So here we are using multiple inputs. We take 3 different input and store them in variables, then we use them inside an f string to create a fun sentence. So let's see its output. So here it will ask us for the multiple input. So here we can see the multiple input output. So here we can see its output. So in today's video we learned take input user and use prompt messages, convert input into numbers. So that's it for user input, and if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.